All right, guys, Rant Roller with another Rant product review. Okay, and yeah, we on a Uggs roll right now, and this is an unboxing and quick review of the UGG Men's Classic Print Boot. Okay, let's bring it up to the side here so you can see exactly what to order if you dig these boots by the end of the review. Okay, there it is. All right, without further ado, bam! Check it out. Now, I did an unboxing of the UGG print boot in black. Okay, and I won't show them in this video because I got road salt all on them and they don't look too good right now. They need to be wiped down. But this is the UGG print boot in brown. Cowboy brown. Okay, you can wear this with a nice brown leather jacket. You know, a nice brown sweater, pullover, whatever. Some blue jeans. You know. So you can see the sole there. I don't know if you guys can read that if it focuses in there. There we go. All right. 80% wool. All right. Of course, it comes with this doohickey to keep the shape. It comes with, the little piece in there to keep the shape of the boot. Little cardboard in there. You can see the color of the fur here. See, show you the heel thickness. Now, I'm not going to walk around in these boots because I need to have somebody else filming me to do that. But I just want to give you, guys, a close-up so you can catch the color brown that it is. All right? So you can see the UGG print on the side. It doesn't really stand out that much as far as drawing a lot of attention to the fact that it says Uggs on the side. You know, from afar, it'll just look like some type of print pattern on the boot, right? Try to show you guys every angle, show you all the details, some stitching details, because these boots don't really pop on thumbnails, on camera images, online. This particular boot doesn't really pop. And to be honest, it doesn't really pop as much in real life. But it is a quality boot. It's a plain looking boot that you can match up and dress up with a lot of different things. And most importantly, it functionally works. I've worn my black boots here, my black print UGG boots, many times over. And other than the white salt, getting them dirty and I have to just take a washcloth and wipe them down, the boot is absolutely warm. These are a size smaller than the ones than my black versions because my foot was swollen when the black versions were ordered for me and I went a size up. But these